How long does a Tesla battery actually last? Is it something you change every few years? Or is it something that will last hundreds of thousands of miles? It's one of the biggest questions people have when they're thinking of buying an electric vehicle, and it's also one of the most misunderstood. The truth is, Tesla batteries are designed to last much longer than most people expect. In this video, we'll explore real-world battery lifespan, how much capacity these batteries actually lose over time, what Tesla's warranty really covers, and the simple habits that can help your battery last even longer. For many buyers, the battery is the biggest concern when considering a Tesla. After all, it's the most expensive component in the vehicle, and replacing it can be costly. That naturally leads people to wonder whether they'll be facing a massive repair bill after only a few years. Fortunately, real-world data paints a far more encouraging picture. Tesla batteries have proven to be remarkably durable, with many vehicles continuing to perform well after years of daily driving and hundreds of thousands of miles on the road. Tesla designs its battery packs for long-term use rather than short-term performance. Under normal driving conditions, a Tesla battery is generally expected to last between 15 and 20 years. In terms of distance, that's approximately 200,000 to 300,000 miles, or about 320,000 to 480,000 kilometers, before experiencing significant battery degradation. Those numbers alone are impressive, but there are even more remarkable real-world examples. Some Tesla owners have driven well over 400,000 miles while still using their original battery pack. While not every vehicle will reach that milestone, it demonstrates the durability Tesla has built into its battery technology. For the average driver, the battery will likely outlast the period they own the vehicle, meaning most people may never need a battery replacement during their ownership. No rechargeable battery lasts forever, and Tesla batteries are no exception. However, the way they age is very different from what many people imagine. Instead of suddenly failing, Tesla batteries lose capacity gradually over many years. Most owners experience only about 10 to 15% battery degradation after driving approximately 150,000 to 200,000 miles. To put that into perspective, if your Tesla originally offered a driving range of 300 miles, it may still provide around 255 to 270 miles after years of heavy use. Another interesting characteristic is that battery degradation is not constant. The largest drop in capacity usually occurs during the early years of ownership. After that initial decline, the degradation rate slows considerably, allowing the battery to maintain stable performance for a very long time. In other words, Tesla batteries don't typically stop working overnight. They simply lose a small amount of range gradually over time. Tesla's confidence in its battery technology is reflected in its warranty coverage. Every Tesla model comes with an 8-year battery warranty, although the mileage limit depends on the specific vehicle. Here's how the coverage is structured. Model 3, rear-wheel drive, 8 years or 100,000 miles. Model 3 long range and performance, 8 years or 120,000 miles. Model Y rear-wheel drive, 8 years or 100,000 miles. Model Y long range and performance, 8 years or 120,000 miles. Model S and Model X, 8 years or 150,000 miles. In addition to the time and mileage limits, Tesla generally guarantees that the battery will retain at least 70% of its original capacity during the warranty period. This means that even after years of driving, owners have added reassurance that their battery will continue delivering reliable performance. Although Tesla batteries are engineered for longevity, a few simple habits can help maximize their lifespan. First, avoid leaving the battery charged to 100% for long periods unless you're preparing for a road trip. Keeping the battery at maximum charge continuously can increase long-term wear. Second, understand your battery chemistry. If your Tesla uses a nickel-based battery, such as NCA or NCM, it's generally recommended to keep your daily charging limit around 80%. However, if your vehicle is equipped with an LFP battery, charging to 100% more regularly is considered normal and even recommended for accurate battery calibration. Third, avoid relying on DC fast charging for every charging session. While Tesla superchargers are incredibly convenient for long-distance travel, regular home charging places less stress on the battery. Finally, whenever possible, protect your vehicle from extreme heat by parking in a garage or shaded area. High temperatures can accelerate battery aging over time. These simple habits won't eliminate battery degradation, but they can help slow it and keep your Tesla performing at its best for years to come. So, how long do Tesla batteries really last? The evidence suggests they're built to provide 15 to 20 years of reliable service, often covering 200,000 to 300,000 miles, with some vehicles even surpassing 400,000 miles on their original battery pack. Even after hundreds of thousands of miles, many owners report only 10 to 15% capacity loss, and Tesla's comprehensive 8-year warranty provides additional peace of mind by guaranteeing at least 70% battery capacity during the warranty period. For most drivers, the battery is unlikely to be the reason they replace their Tesla. Instead, it will gradually lose a small amount of driving range while continuing to serve reliably for many years. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more informative content. And now we'd love to hear from you. How many miles do you think an electric vehicle battery should last before needing replacement? Let us know in the comments below.